here we have number 5. It says use the Venn diagram to determine whether each statement is always, sometimes, or never true. So here's the Venn diagram if you do not remember from several chapters ago. So let's see. Is a parallelogram always is a square? Well, notice that the square is within the box of a parallelogram. So we can say that this is always. Okay? Because do you see how the square is inside the parallelogram box? A square is a rhombus. Well, a square is a rhombus. Not quite, because a rhombus is a unique type. And so this is some, wait, hold on, let me see here. So this is really weird to think about, right? So let me just let you on a trick. You know how the square, this is a more specific type, okay? And the rhombus is a general, okay? Because that's what I mean. So a Pacific is a general. So let's say iPhone 14 is an iPhone. Is that always, sometimes, or never true? That's always, yes. A Pacific is always under the general. So we can say that that's always the way I think about it. So this is going to be always true, okay? A rectangle is a parallelogram. This is always true because, again, the rectangle is inside the box of a parallelogram.